Welcome to Core Java tutorial. I am Ketan Oberoi. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about the basics of Java, its history, advantages, disadvantages, features, concepts of JRE, JDK, JVM, and in the end of this video, we will see a simple program using Java. In the next slide, I will brief you about the history of Java. Who has developed the Java? It was developed by Gosling and others in June 1991. It has many previous names like Oak, Green, and finally renamed to Java. It has a syntax similar to C++ languages that is familiar to application programmers. Now question arises what Java is. Java, the answer is the Java is a general purpose programming language that is concurrent. Concurrent means the several tasks can be performed simultaneously. And the next is the class based. In Java, all the work is done under classes, thus is called as a class based. The third one is finally it's object oriented. Thus it uses the concept of encapsulation, polymorphism, abstraction, inheritance, etc. And we will see all the concept of object oriented in further slides. Java, the main is the Java works on Bora. That makes it apart from other programming languages. Bora means write once, run anywhere, which makes it a platform independent. Now we have the three terms in Java, that is JDK, JRE and JVM. The first one is the JDK, which is Java Development Kit. The Java Development Kit is a software development environment used for developing Java applications and applets. We will cover applets in future videos. It's a very good concept in Java. It includes JRE, that is a Java Runtime environment, an interpreter, a loader, compiler, and many more tools in Java development. JRE. JRE is Java Runtime Environment. It is a set of programming tool for developing Java application. It basically gives an environment for running the Java programs. It consists of JVM, that is the Java Virtual Machine, which Java Virtual Machine that enables a computer to run the Java programs that it convert into the bytecodes. Next, the question arises why the Java is platform independent. We have coined the three terms above that will help us to explain the independency of Java. But before that, what does the platform independent means? The platform independent means that the code remains the same irrespective of the platform involved. And the Java has something that called as a JVM, which is we have learned that JVM is Java Virtual Machine. It makes part from different from other languages. Like in C++, if we write a program in C++ in Windows, compiled and interpreted in Windows, and we compile the same program in Linux, the both programs do not work in the different platforms. The cross platform is not there, means they have no dependency in C++, but in Java it has another layer which is called as JVM. If we have a program in Java, we basically written in a Windows and the program which is written in a Linux, they both can be run in any platform, in any operating system, as they are platform independent. Next, we have the merits and demerits of Java. Java has so many advantages for developers. For example, the one is simple. Java is very simple because it's easy to use and is therefore easy to write, compile and debug, learn than other programming languages. The reason that why Java is much simpler than C++ because Java uses automatic memory allocation and garbage collection, whereas C++ requires programmer to allocate memory and to collect garbage. The second one is object oriented. Java is object oriented because programming in Java is centered on creating objects and manipulating objects. All the work is done because of objects. Next is Java is platform independent, which I explained earlier. Next is robust. Java is robust, means reliable. No programming language can really assure reliability, but Java is a language which assures the reliability. It's checking of possible errors and so on. Next, the demerits. It has very less demerits in Java. The performance means it's significantly slower and taking a more memory consuming than a native programming languages, the compiled languages like C and C++. Look and feel. The default look and feel of GUI applications written in Java using the Swing toolkit is very different from native applications. Next, we will learn the simple program using Java. I will write the program in Notepad and explain each and every line to you. The first of all, we will open CMD Notepad, then we write the program class. As I have told you that it is a class based, so each and every function will be written in the classes, class and its name. Class name, we will define a class name. Then afterward there is public. There are access specifiers in Java. There are 4 access specifiers in Java: public, private, protected and default. We will study each and every access specifier in further slides. The one we have used here is public. Public means we declare a function public so that it can be accessed by any other member of class. Next is static. Static means that we do not need to create any object of the class. That's why we make it as a static. The next is void. Void means null, because main does not have any return type, so we make it as a void. Then main, which is a very important function because each and execution starts from here, from main. Next we pass the argument, that is string and args, that is array. String is a primitive data type and we have passed the array args. Next we have used system. System is a class defined in Java. Then out is an object of the system. Then println is a function which is defined in the out in the system. Println is used for printing the output. Next we have written program and ended by the semicolon. Now open the save the file. Please save the file with the same name as that of the class name, because Java is case sensitive language, so it should have a same name. We will save the program in our computer that by class name.java. Now we have to execute this program. So open CMD, then write Java C first program.java. Java C is a compiler, Java compiler, which compile the programs. Next, for executing the class, after compiling that, we execute the class by writing Java, the name of the class, first program. Now you can see the output comes, that is hello viewer. Hello. Now you exit from the CMD and you come to this. Now the summary, what we have learned in this lecture, that is studied about development of Java, its feature, learned about JDK, JRE and JVM, pros and cons of Java. We have seen a basic program using Java. For any queries, comment below. See you in next tutorial video. Hope you like it.